statement is to design an electrical vehicle for especially challenged people. The problem faced by these hand amplitudes. We focus on their inability to drive vehicles, which makes them depend on others for their mobility. All the differentially able people are in great grief over their disability. Bringing a feasible solution to this would make a great difference in the life of a large percentage of disabled people with great ambitions and vision. It enhances their life significantly. This solution encourages large fraction of people to achieve their dreams and goals with suitable enthusiasm. This would bring a great revolution in the world of differently abled people. The main motto of our project is to make hand amputees to drive vehicle like commoners. This makes the people overcome their disability and insecurity, essentially increases their self-confidence and give hopes to their existence. This would provoke them to do great things for better tomorrow. People thinks on internet as a solution to address this problem, but they don't seem to be achieving the ultimate aim of the problem, as most of them are modified vehicles as they aren't a new design that could solve this problem. That means buying a new vehicle from the market and modifying it by doing little adjustments to fill the gap, but they obviously result in making the cost doubled, which might not be affordable for the people. Making such alterations on normal vehicle will not be reliable. St- Stability of the vehicle is under questioning. Final solution and innovation. This vehicle is designed for the people who are lacking for both their hands below limbs. This design enables the differentiable people to control and navigate the vehicle by using only their legs, since they make use of their legs to control things next to their hands. All the control system of the vehicles are made available under their legs. Accelerator and braking system of the vehicle are given separately as pedals to the right and left legs of a person. A separate pedal is provided for the legs to steer the vehicle. Thus, the vehicle achieves the objective of the problem. And our innovation is that we have provided a large boot space than any other, which helps the people to use it for their employment purposes. This vehicle is a new category vehicle which doesn't fall under either bike or a trike. This marks a new design which does not need any alterations that can be used ready-made. Using differential wheels for the rear wheel drive provides with better stability than any other solutions available till now. This is the final 3D model of our design. The design shows that we have used differential for the vehicle step to increase the vehicle stability, and we have used a unique steering mount to turn the vehicle easily. And we have also provided a comfortable seating with side supports to make the person sit comfortably, and they and make sure that they do not roll over while turning the vehicle. And there is also a large boot space provided for their use, which could be used for the employment purposes. Complete the fabrication of our vehicle within a couple of days that makes the vehicle move on the roads normally. The vehicle is powered with a 1 kilowatt motor and has a unique steering mount and differentials for to increase the vehicle stability. Normal people without any disability use their hands everywhere in controlling things, but people without hands use their legs instead. For that, a comfortable steering posture is vital. A lot of wheelchairs designs were analyzed and observed. Working of a lot of modified vehicles for armless people were analyzed and the defects were listed. Keeping these in mind, a new reliable design in a cost efficient way was designed by brainstorming a lot of ideas and finally strike to one. The design of steering mechanism was likely challenging. As for the initial stage, a simple steering mechanism is decided, but the future scope of the project involves designing a simple and easy mechanism at cost-effective way to steer this vehicle. Since the percentage of people with no hands when compared with people without legs is a large difference and they are invisible to the busy world. But when considering the life of those people, the idea of blossoming their lives by providing them confidence and means for survival is brought forward. Since these people cannot do as much skillful jobs, they can work in sectors which don't require handworks like local logistics. Such job opportunities are provided to them by this vehicle. This could uplift the lives of disabled people in a great way. The vehicle is completely powered with green energy and initiated to reduce the carbon emissions. From the beginning of this project, ideation, design, and fabrication had a major focus on sustainability. As mentioned before, the powertrain of the vehicle is completely run by Green energy. The material used by fabrication is completely recyclable. The maintenance cost of a vehicle is minimal. Few other utility and seating provisions are packed with plywoods, which marks the nature's touch, enhancing the vehicle's economics. The specially categorized, properly built vehicle for the disabled persons. They can drive this vehicle as normal as a bike or a car in a real time, which is powered with green energy. This is designed in such a way that it occupies the area of a motorcycle with protection frame, so that this could even travel in smaller roads. This create a greatest impact for the disabled persons in creating jobs in local logistics, that is like food delivery partners, cloud kitchen businesses. This makes them more confident to come forward and work for their own lifestyle improvement. This sector is not being focused because the percentage of handless persons is less when compared to the percentage without legs. The person without legs could perform skillful jobs. The only thing is that they couldn't move from one place to another easily. When compared to the person without hands, they could only move from one place to another. Rather, they could not perform all the skill jobs. So the scope of getting a job for them is very difficult. Our future plan of our project is developing a universal controlling system that could be placed down and controlled with legs, and when placed at the top, that could be controlled with the hands. This makes a single category of vehicle for the physically challenged person, irrespective of the users without hands or legs. This could attract a large number of buyers, and nothing is mandatory here to customize the vehicle controller based on the user's disability.